super silky, soft. You know.
Damn, Dior.
Yeah. Yeah. Bitch, I love you, but we can't keep doing this. If I don't got these Percocets, man.
You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, tú atajando.
Okay, y'all, so I have my hair into sections. First things first is my heat protectant. I use the Ion heat protectant smoothing spray. This smells really good. School. And I really just liked how silky it made the hair. And it's vegan, cruelty free. So I kind of sprayed a lot, but just do that and then brush it in. And then I don't typically use this, but I'm using my Design Essentials liquid shine spray. This just kind of adds like some moisture back into the hair, and it kind of just works well when you're like blow drying, because it just kind of like seals in like that shine into your hair. This is a requested video from a subscriber. So you guys, when blow drying your hair, it's good to have like a Demon brush. I'm using the 407 styling Paul Mitchell brush. But with blow drying natural hair with the chasing method, you typically just want to add a lot of tension onto the hair so that you can get the strands as straight as possible. So that's what I'll be doing, like this. And then my blow dryer is the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools. This is a really good blow dryer. I think I probably paid like $200, $300 for this blow dryer. So I use the hottest heat setting, and I use the highest ventilation setting. So pretty much if you're doing the chase method when blow drying your hair for a silk press, you want a concentrated nozzle so that the air is like precisely blowing on the stretched roots. So, and you kind of just want to follow, you guys. You just want to follow while brushing, remaining that tension. As you can see, the hair is diffused. So that's what the Demon brush will do. It'll just get out all those big curls. And then I also like to go on with a round brush. And this is a Paul Mitchell Pro Tools round brush. And this just kind of stretches the roots out even more. Gives more of a diffused kind of effect so that your roots are stretched. You're stretching it out. And the nylon bristles kind of smooths the hair to prevent frizz. And with this, you just do the same kind of motion. What I'm saying is that you want the airflow to be going you want the airflow to be going in the same direction of your hair. So the same direction of the cuticle, because if you're like blow drying like this and you're going like this, then the airflow is going to go against the cuticle, and that's what's going to cause the frayed hair. It's going to cause a lot of frizziness that you don't want. So just make sure that you're holding your like, make sure that the airflow is coming out in like more of like a 90-degree kind of angle, just straight down, you know what I'm saying? So go under and get the nape of your head, which people refer to as the kitchen.
You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my lady. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe. You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I'm in your city, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. Fuck. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I'm in your city, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. Fuck. You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Put my hands on you, baby. My catch 22. Too much to handle you.
Hey, excuse me. Okay, guys, so I just finished pressing my hair out. Inches, honey. So now we're going to wrap it. So you guys, I'm not that good at doing this. Well, I wouldn't say I'm not that good, I'm just not that experienced. So okay, maybe this is better. So what you want to do, or what I do, is part my hair so that it's already ready, and then take your brush and then just go ahead, brush it, and you literally just wrap it. So obviously it's deeper than just, you just wrap it, but you literally just want to brush your hair around the perimeter of your head, and just keep doing that. Until you get like a cone. So you get like a honeycomb kind of look. This is good enough, honestly. And then you go ahead okay, y'all, so now I have my cap on. I really hate this part, like, because I really like getting things perfect, and this part is just so hard to perfect, and when it's not perfect, it makes me feel like shit. quite frankly. But you guys, I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for like 5 minutes, like maybe 5 to 7 minutes on like a just something not too hot but right in between. So just accommodate to yourself, maybe medium heat, and I'll be back. You just kind of want something to slip down any like frizzies and give your hair some shine. So okay, as you can see, the hair fell right down. You don't want too much serum because you don't want your hair to be stiff. So I'm taking about this much and rubbing, and I'm coating my hands with this serum so that when I just touch my hair, you know, it just naturally like infuses it. Excuse me. Okay. So, as you can see, we kind of lost our part. I should probably take this fuzzy jacket off, not gonna lie. It's just so cold right now, you guys. Where I live, like, it's so cold out, so. So as you guys can see, this is my hair. Super silky, soft. You know. And this is just how I like my hair when it's silk pressed. I like it to look nice and silky and soft. So if you want the same outcome, follow these steps, y'all, because my silk presses never lie. Truth be told, they never lie. Like, look at this silk, look at the shine, the body, the movement, it's all here. Period. It might take a little long, but the results are definitely guaranteed. So I'm gonna go ahead and find my part and then come right back. Okay guys, so I have reached the end of the video, you guys. This is the final outcome. Super soft, super silky, y'all. Very, what the freak? And very natural. Very natural. It's silk press season. So gotta give the girls what they want. But y'all, I certainly hope that you guys enjoyed this video. For the subscriber that requested the in-depth blowout tutorial, I hope that what I gave helped you and what you were looking for. Yeah, so you guys, that's really the end of this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys learned something. And if you're just like me and when your hair is freshly pressed, if you can't stop touching it and playing in it, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. But y'all, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video. That's probably the third time I said that, but I love you all so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. You guys, click the description box to find my social media so you can follow me, stay up to date with me. And y'all, I'm super tired, I'm not gonna lie. This process drained me, so that's why my energy is kind of low. But I love you all so much, and you know, keep subscribing, tapping in, and supporting you guys, because we're on a journey. and it's only going up, so you might as well just join and contribute to the process so you can say that you were here before everybody else when I become super big, rich, and famous. Okay, y'all, I love you all so much. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Comment down below if you like my hair and if I did a good job, and if you enjoyed this video. Love y'all.